Hi, M5603. Please introduce yourself.
Hi sir, I'm Lorena Dulay, 40 years old. I'm married. I have two daughters. My eldest is 14 years old and my youngest is 6 years old.
Your religion
My religion is Catholic.
and your highest educational attainment.
I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I have experience to take care of 2 years old baby girl and their parents.
And other household chores that you do.
I do cooking and ironing, washing clothes, and cleaning the house.
Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
First, I wash my hand and wash the bottle and sterilize it and put the exact amount of the milk and put warm water and then shake it well. Then check the temperature before give the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check the diaper is full and the temperature.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature and also the diaper of the baby, you change it. Everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
I call my employer
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because Hong Kong is high salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Until my employer wants me.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to extend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a relatives or they were fixing something inside the house and they want to go inside? What will you do?
I call my employer to tell them that someone inside.
Outside the house.
Yes, sir.
And if they don't know the person outside the house, what will you do?
I don't entertain them.
Because it's too dangerous to entertain people that your employer doesn't know, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir.
But it's okay to you to learn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how will you learn to cook?
I watch YouTube.
Okay, you can watch YouTube or also buy some cookbooks, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and also if your employer have a time to prepare foods for themselves, you could also watch them or help them how do they prepare so that you could learn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly? Help them go to bed, to the bathroom, to hospital for checkup. It is okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I saw that you have a long hair. It is okay to you to cut into short?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If there is any instances that one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hi, ma'am. I will be honest, trustworthy, and hardworking.
Can you promise also to follow the rules and regulations of their house?
Yes, sir. I will be follow the rules.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Lorena. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.